David Goggins, hard work, suffering, that's great. That's a tremendous power that you can have if you can actually do that. Most people can't. That's why David Goggins' message is actually important for this world, for the way we're headed right now in our lazy society. But once you master that, there's kind of you gotta have some type of balance because you can't actually destroy yourself. Like I'm destroying my body. Like actually, like when I say I'm gonna work hard, I say I'm working hard. Like actually long hours sitting. And you know what? Sometimes my hamstrings, I cannot stretch them as well as I could before. So this is really, destroying my body. A friend of mine was running for, I don't know, 10, 15 kilometers, 20 maybe even, I don't know, for like 2 hours something, I don't know. He was listening to David Goggins. He didn't stop. He kept going. He actually kept going, like further than he was capable of. Once you are capable of doing this, okay, now it's time to chill. It's time to have some principles and values to take care of yourself because like you can die. Like I could work so freaking hard, be so obsessed, not have any sort of balance. Like I know David Goggins, like, he's okay with that. But at one point, like, if you can't do this, like, man, you're not gonna be able to work anymore if you just destroy your body, right? So you gotta take care of it. You gotta have some principles, some values that are gonna allow you to keep working hard, but not as hard as you just kill yourself. My friend of mine, I don't know if I said that. He has his ankle broken because he just run so much out of his capacities with David Goggins in his ears. He was not stopping. Even his ankle broken, he just kept going a little bit. But then he figured like, man, the pain is too hard. The pain is too just here. So he stopped then, and now he kind of regrets. He kind of regrets going so hard because he's not really training for a marathon. He's a businessman. He just did that just to prove himself he could do it. That's good. But, at what point? A balance is sometimes necessary. I don't like, the balanced lifestyle. I do this a little bit, I do that a little bit. Go all in. But all in until one point, there's got to be a limit. If there's no limit, your body will give you one. And the one that is going to give you is not necessarily the one you want. So hey, it's up to you. If you want to join the best future community on YouTube, hey, subscribe because you're going to get tremendous value. Watch my other videos and be a part of this community because we're going to change the world and survive and thrive in this hostile environment. If you want to join, like and subscribe, and welcome.